We have our final talk of the day here in AT1 with Pete Warden. Most of you have probably heard of Pete Warden. He has a long and storied career. He wrote some image processing stuff which was acquired by Apple. Then he co-founded a company which, I'm sure to his regret, was acquired by Google. So that gave him time to create TensorFlow Lite. And so that gave him time to create useful sensors, which is why he is here today. He is going to be introducing Moonshine, which is a speech-to-text model. He's also our only live coding presentation of the day, so no sweat. Please help me welcome Pete Warden.
No, thanks so much. So today, this is aimed to be a pretty practical talk. What I'm trying to do is just introduce people to the idea that you don't have to be Google, Apple, or Amazon to be able to have voice interfaces on your devices. And I'm going to be doing that by showing you kind of how easy it is to get a voice model up and running. And that's going to include some live coding on a Raspberry Pi. So wish me luck. In the olden days of a couple of years ago, voice interfaces were something that big tech companies used as leverage to get people to join their walled gardens. So if you wanted a voice interface, you had to adopt Alexa and all of Amazon's standards, or Siri, or OK Google. And that was because all of those projects had taken, probably around a decade with hundreds of engineers to actually come up with software systems that were good enough to work for everyday users in terms of being able to recognize what people are saying. That was a really hard problem. One of the best things that I think OpenAI has ever done was releasing Whisper, which is their open source machine learning model that takes audio in and outputs text, does speech to text, does transcription. It's led to a whole bunch of really interesting applications emerging. And there's a lot of packages around this too. So in whatever language you're working in, on iOS, in Python, in just like kind of embedded Linux type stuff, you can probably find a package that works for you.